Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for something that's not only educational, but also super relaxing? Then you need to get a planetarium projector like this one from Yokgrass. This projector is so easy to use, and I'm really impressed by all of the pictures that you can see with the projector. It's a very easy plug-and-play system. It comes with an attached USB cord that you can hook into any USB block. The projector has not only an on-off button, but also a timer so that you could easily put this on at night and have it go off whenever you're ready to go to sleep. In addition, it also has a rotation function that goes super slow, so you can really feel like you're laying underneath the stars. The 12 discs that it comes with are amazing. I feel like I am at a science museum when we put these discs in. The pictures are crisp and clear. You can see that it has different parts of the sky. I won't even show you all of the discs because it really needs to be a good surprise when you get this in, but this machine is really wonderful. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time, and I am super impressed with this one. It's light and compact. You could bring it into any room in your home, and once you put it on, you can really see it fills up a huge part of your ceiling so that you can really get that full experience. We are a homeschool family, so I find that this is really educational as well, and it just has beautiful HD illustrations. The pictures that come out of this really make you feel like you are learning and exploring, but it's also super soothing and relaxing. I'm really impressed with this little unit, but that's just my point of view.